Hi guys, we are back with another video. In this video, we will be making watermelon mojitos. I'll be making two versions, one alcoholic and another one non-alcoholic for the children watching. And guess what? I'm taking you guys with me to get the stuff. So let's go. We are here. Okay, we are going to the food so we can get the watermelon. I'll get two of those. Get some lime. I'm looking for a nice one. This is okay. I'm looking for the mint leaves. There you go. Oh. I'm looking for Sprite. Over. Here you go. Alright, so we are going to check out now. The liquor store we go. There. Alright, let's go home now. We are going to start by making some infused ice cube with limes, mint, and watermelon. Add water. Okay, so now we are going to put it in the freezer. So now let's blend about 2 cups of watermelon with a 1/4 cup of lime juice. Okay, so now let's make the drink. We are going to add the watermelon that we blended with the lime juice, the infused ice cube, the liquor. You can use any liquor of your choice, and then Sprite. To garnish, just add some mint leaf and a slice of lime. So for the kids, we're gonna add the watermelon and lime juice blended, the infused ice cube, Sprite. To garnish, we can add mint leaf and watermelon. I did it a heart shape. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit the bell notification to be notified when I post new videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.